Are you looking for a versatile, space-saving, and energy-efficient kitchen appliance that can handle multiple cooking tasks? Look no further than this Koolatron Total Chef Toaster Oven, a compact powerhouse designed to simplify your culinary life. This 4-slice toaster oven is not just for toasting bread. It's a multifunctional marvel that can bake, roast, broil, and more. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore why the Total Chef Toaster Oven is a must-have for any kitchen, whether you live in a small apartment or a dorm room, or simply want to save counter space. Why choose the Koolatron Total Chef Toaster Oven? The Total Chef Toaster Oven stands out in a crowded market due to its combination of versatility, ease of use, and compact design. Here's a closer look at what makes this appliance so special. 1. Multipurpose cooking capabilities. The Total Chef Toaster Oven is more than just a toaster. It offers a range of cooking functions that make it incredibly versatile. With this single appliance, you can toast bread. Enjoy perfectly brown toast every morning. Bake pizzas. The oven is designed to create crispy crusts and evenly cooked toppings. Roast meats. Grill chicken wings or roast vegetables to perfection. Broil delicacies. Achieve that perfect caramelized finish on your dishes. Whether you're making breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks, this toaster oven has you covered. 2. Compact and space-saving design. With a footprint of just 14.6 by 12.75 inches, the Total Chef Toaster Oven is ideal for small kitchens, RVs, and dorm rooms. It easily fits on a shelf or under a cupboard, saving precious counter space. Despite its small size, it's powerful enough to handle a variety of cooking tasks, making it perfect for those with limited space but big cooking ambitions. 3. Energy-efficient performance. This toaster oven operates at 1000 watts, which is sufficient for cooking meals for 1 or 2 people without wasting energy. Unlike traditional ovens, it heats up quickly and doesn't require preheating, saving both time and electricity. This makes it an excellent choice for quick meals and snacks. 4. User-friendly controls. The Koolatron Total Chef Toaster Oven features simple dial controls that make it easy to set the oven temperature ranging from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and the cooking time up to 30 minutes. The stay-on function is perfect for longer cooking tasks, and the automatic shut-off feature ensures safety and convenience. The controls are intuitive, taking the guesswork out of cooking. 5. Easy cleanup. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze with the Total Chef Toaster Oven. It comes with a removable crumb tray, a baking pan, and a chrome wire rack, all of which are easy to clean. The wrinkle black paint finish on the exterior is resistant to oil stains and fingerprints, keeping your oven looking sleek and clean with minimal effort. What's included? When you purchase the Total Chef Toaster Oven, you get everything you need to start cooking right away. Aluminized baking pan, perfect for baking and roasting. Chrome wire rack, ideal for toasting and broiling. Removable crumb tray, makes cleaning up crumbs and drips easy. The Total Chef Toaster Oven delivers uniform heating thanks to its upper and lower heating elements. These elements cycle on and off during the cooking process to maintain a consistent temperature, ensuring even cooking results every time. Whether you're making a quick snack or preparing a full meal, you can trust this oven to deliver delicious results. One of the most appealing aspects of the Total Chef Toaster Oven is its ability to handle a variety of foods beyond just pizzas and toast. Here are a few examples. Waffles and breakfast sandwiches. Start your day with delicious homemade waffles or breakfast sandwiches. Baked goods. Bake cakes, pies, and pastries with ease. Savory snacks, prepare pretzels, chicken wings, and more. Users of the Total Chef Toaster Oven rave about its versatility and efficiency. It has become a favorite in many households due to its reliable performance and compact design. The ease of use and quick cooking times are frequently highlighted, making it a popular choice for busy individuals and families alike. In summary, the Koolatron Total Chef Toaster Oven is an exceptional kitchen appliance that offers multipurpose cooking in a compact, energy-efficient design. Its versatility, ease of use, and space-saving features make it a standout choice for anyone looking to streamline their cooking process without sacrificing quality or taste. Whether you're toasting, baking, roasting, or broiling, this toaster oven delivers consistently delicious results. Ready to transform your kitchen with the Total Chef Toaster Oven? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and take the first step toward a more efficient and enjoyable cooking experience. With the Total Chef Toaster Oven, your culinary possibilities are endless. Don't miss out on this powerful, compact, and versatile kitchen companion. Get yours today and start creating delicious meals with ease. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.